Hey guys, John here at 1984 Barbecue. Today is a special edition. This video that you're about to see I did for my wife's work. She works at the ER in Louisville, Kentucky. So I cooked a meal for them, the ER department. So anyways guys, it's a catering gig. There's some pictures going to be in here because I couldn't take video inside, so there's going to be some pictures in there from it. And also, I want to let you know too, in this video, I said I would show you us pulling the pork, but I completely forgot because I was kind of in a hurry and time crunch, so I didn't get that shot in there. But everything else is still in there, guys. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this, and thank a healthcare worker, fire, police, EMS for doing all what they do during this time. Okay, thank you again, and I hope you enjoy. Here we go. We're running the GMG at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It's about 10 minutes after 11 on Monday night, the 20th of April. We are cooking 2 briskets on this bad boy. One 16-pounder. Go ahead and get this bad boy on here. Like so. And we'll get the other one on this second shelf up here, guys. Doing this cook, doing two briskets, and we're going to be doing 2 pork butts. We'll get those on later, and I'll show you that later on. But we're doing this for my wife's work. She works in the ER, and we're doing it for them as like appreciation for this whole coronavirus going around. So cooking them a nice meal for tomorrow, and we're cooking 2 briskets on the GMG. Then we're going to get 2 pork butts on the drum smoker, and I'll show you all that later. But I just want to show you that we're going to get 2 briskets on here. They were seasoned with Cosmo's beef, Cosmo Q's cow cover, and his Texas beef, and injected with his reserve blend. So that brisket's on. I'll get the other brisket on, and I'll show you what they look like once I get them on. Alrighty guys, I'm operating by myself here, so I'll go ahead and show you these briskets. Got the GMG, like I said, we're running at 200 degrees on the GMG. There's one brisket. The lighting kind of sucks, but there's the other one, guys. Right there, 2 big behemoths. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. But yeah, there they are on the GMG. I'm using 2 smoke racks. So I could still put something else underneath there on direct flame, but that's how I'm going to run these, just like that. And then in the morning, I'm going to run them. I'm going to be running them with the butts on the UDS. Let me flip this around here so you guys can see me. Okay. Put that down. Alright guys, so it's about 11:25. We're running the GMG Texas blend, which is oak, hickory, and mesquite, I believe. And the hopper's full. So I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to get some sleep. I will come back when I got the UDS fired up, and we're going to put those pork butts on, okay? So I will see you later. Alright guys, good morning. It's after 5 o'clock. It's about 5:20 or so, I think. I just got the pork butts on, guys. The briskets, I just now rotated them. I put them on after 11. Rotated them, and I just bumped the temp up to 250. Okay, on the briskets, just bumped them up to 250 on the briskets. I turned them. Let me see if I can get y'all in here to get to see these a little better. All right, here we go. Now I'm going to have to put on the light. Hopefully you guys can see that on those briskets. There you go. I just spritzed them a second ago, guys. I need to do a better job on the spritzing. Oh, There we go. Anyways, I'm doing this with my tripod, guys. I don't have everything set up because I'm not really, stationary setup for this. I'm just kind of taking you along on this little blog journey. Anyways, guys, that's going. I just got the port butts on the UDS. As you can see, we're running just a tad above 250 on here, and we're running post oak and cherry wood chunks in there for wood. I'll show you my vents. Now there's my bottom vent, guys. It's wide open there on my drum, and then as you can see, that's barely cracked, and that's barely cracked on the ball valve. So I will show you guys the butts. I just put them on. I seasoned them up. There, I seasoned them up with Oak Ridge Barbecue's Secret Weapon, and I injected them with Butcher's Barbecue pork injection. Okay. So, anyways, guys, I'm gonna let these pork butts go for about an hour, hour and a half, and then I'll bring you back when we get ready to check those. Okay. See you. It's about 7:25 or so, and we're running right just about 250. It's the first time I looked at these butts, guys, since I put them on. Let's take a look here and see. There we go. The bark's not set. We got a lot of moisture in here, so I'm not going to be spritzing these right now. But they look pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and get this down. So anyway, so the butts, you've seen those. I've had those on since 5/18. Guys, I ran into a problem with that. I had that thing kind of dialed back before I put the meat on, and then I put the meat on, and it really dropped my temperatures. So I had to open my vents wide open. So let me just show you that real quick. So as you can see, that's wide open. Now that's wide open. I still got the top one kind of closed off because I'm still trying to put a little more smoke on it. Bottom's wide open, and now this is running about 225, but again, I just had the lid open. So, all right. So I've got this running at 250, and we're running about 275 at this top of these briskets. So I'm gonna open it up, let y'all see the briskets. I'm ready to flip these around, guys. You can tell it's got a lot of moisture in there. Beautiful color on those. All right, guys, so we're going to close that up. All right. So these briskets have been on since around 11:20 last night or something like that. I told you earlier in the video. And it's now about 7:30. So we've been on a little over 8 hours on these briskets, or right at 8 hours on these briskets. I am going to give these a spritz. I have not checked internal temperatures on this, guys. I'm probably going to put a probe in here right about, I don't know, 8 o'clock or something like that. We're going to see where we're at on these briskets and decide whether or not we need to wrap. The butts, like I said, they're looking good. A lot of moisture in that pit. So I don't need to spritz them right now. I hope that bark gets to setting. Anyways, guys, I will bring you back here shortly, and we'll check on the pork butts again. Open this up, take a look. As you can see, we're running right about 275. Oh yeah, look at them butts. They're looking good. Bark's pretty well set, so I'm going to spritz these guys with a little bit of apple cider vinegar and Jim Beam whiskey. Get a nice color on these butts. What I wanted to see. Alright, guys, I'm going to shut this lid up. Like that. Alrighty, so the butts,
As you can tell, looking good now. I'm happy these temperatures. Hopefully this will recover back up quickly and get to 275. When I checked the internal temps earlier, which you already heard on that, I haven't checked them again yet. So I'm going to let this continue to run, and we'll check them here shortly. Briskets are 166 and 171. I think that one's hit the stall, and the other one's trying to catch up. I'm trying to get it to catch up a little bit to the other one. Anyways, guys, next time I come back on here, we're going to be wrapping these briskets. And just so you know a time, I've been trying to keep the time frames on here, guys. It's 9:04 a.m., okay? So these butts have been on almost 4 hours. So I'll check them shortly for temperature. But the color's looking good on the butts. I'm very happy with that. And I'm happy with that the drum's starting to catch up. I didn't move the butts, as you can tell. I kind of moved them, and that seemed to help. So I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, guys, everyone, we're getting ready to pop these lid open and take a look at these butts. Poor butts are looking good. They got a good color on them. I gotta get my spritz bottle here. I'll give you a spritz in a second, but we're gonna check the temperature, guys. We're gonna see what we got here on these butts. Let's take a quick peek here. Right about 140 in that one, and 144 in this one. So they're coming right along. I'm gonna give these a spritz, and then I'm going by color on this. So I'm kind of liking the color I got. So I'm gonna give these a quick color and then, or a quick spritz, and then I'm gonna let them go to bed for a little while longer. I'll bring you back when we wrap them. We got one of these wrap guys already. We're gonna pull the second one off, get it wrapped up. Look at that, guys. Look at that gloriousness. All right. So it's pretty wet, guys. I'm not going to really hit it with anything. But right now, we're just going to get this wrapped up. So I'm going to move that out of my way. It's windy today, guys, so that's why everything's kind of as it is. But I am going to hit this butcher's paper around this brisket. I'm going to give it some moisture around it. Set that there. Alright, I'm going to bring this up. Now I know this is small, guys. This is only 18-inch butcher's paper, which is fine for what we're doing for this. It's not my best wrap job on this brisket, but it's going to do for now, because what we're going to do is we're going to come over here with this one. And we're going to go ahead and just flip it over. Well, we were. There we go, guys. There we go. All nice tucked in there. Alright, got it tucked away, guys. We're going to get it put back to bed or whatever, get a thermometer back in it, and a probe back in it, and the next time you see these, they would have already rested, and I'll show you what they look like once we get ready to cut them up, okay? See you then. Guys, we're getting ready to check a look at these butts. You can tell we got some beautiful color on here. Beautiful color on here. Well, we'll check the temperature real quick, but I'm going to go ahead and wrap these because I'm happy with the color. I'm sorry about the camera job there, guys. There we go. Let's see what we got here. 148, 155. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap these guys, okay? I'll give them a little spritz, but the next time you see these butts will be when we get ready to pull them as well, okay? Alrighty, guys, I just want to give you a quick update. It's about 2:15 in the afternoon. All the food is off, okay? I've gotten all the briskets off and everything, and they're resting in, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, in that cooler right there. Anyway, so they're resting in that cooler, and get the grills cooling down or whatever. But we're going to cut this up here shortly. I just wanted to let y'all know that they're resting. We got them off the resting, and we're going to get them cut up, and we'll get a quick couple of shots of that, and then I'll try to get what I can at the hospital when we go there. I don't know what I'm going to be able to get, if anything, but we'll see when we get to cut these up. Here's one of the briskets. I'm going to show you one brisket. We're going to cut and slice. Look at that jiggle. We're going to cut and slice. I'll show you that, and then I'll show you when we do one pork butt or whatever, and then after that we'll be in the car, and I'll talk to you a little bit about the cook. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this going. Our grains are in this way, so we're going to cut this way. There you go, guys. You can see that just fell apart, but there you go. Hangs right on over. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's got a nice smoke ring right here across there. There you go. Nice smoke ring. And it just folds right over. So, alright. I'm going to go ahead and continue cutting this up, guys, because we're running a little bit behind here. And like I said, I'll bring you back for the when we do the pork butt. Alright, see you then. Alright guys, we're almost there. We're driving down the road now. It was a long cook. The pork turned out really good. And the brisket, one brisket turned out really good. The other brisket, I don't know. Wife said it was good. I don't know. We're going to let these people be the judge of it, okay? But anyways, we're almost there. Guys, it was a fun cook, long cook, but it was fun. I hope to get some footage, but I can't guarantee y'all anything. But I'll let you know once I drop it off, how it went. So, anyways, guys, I'll get back with you here to wrap this up, okay? All right, guys, food's been dropped off. I didn't take any video inside, but I did get some pictures of the setup, and I'll put those. I will put those in before the end of this, so you'll be able to see the pictures. Like I said, it was a great cook, guys. They were very appreciative of it, and we're very excited. So, anyways, I delivered everything sealed up. None of the utensils, none of the plates, the bread. The buns, the sauces. Everything was all sealed, except for where I pulled the meat and everything. But I used gloves, obviously. You'll see that in the video. And I used lids and everything for the trays. So, anyways, guys, if you like what we're doing here at 1984 Barbecue, give this video a big thumbs up. We really appreciate our healthcare workers, nurses, everybody works in the hospitals, fire, EMS, police. We really appreciate all of them. So, anyways, guys, give this video a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're not subscribed to this channel, 1984 Barbecue, please consider hitting that subscribe button, hitting that bell notification, let you know when I put out new videos. Anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. You guys have a great one, and we'll see you on the next one.